Adding categories to your Weebly website is a great way to organize your blog posts or products for better navigation. Here's how you can add categories. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log into your account. Access the website editor. From the dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the editor. Go to the blog or store section. If you want to add categories to your blog, click on the blog section from the top menu. For a store, click the Store tab. Add categories for blog. In the blog section, click on Settings. Scroll to the Categories section and click Add Category. You can now enter a name for your category. You can assign existing blog posts to these categories when editing individual posts. Add categories for products. If you're adding categories for products, go to the Store section, click on Products and then click on the Category option. Click Add New Category, name it, and assign products to the category by editing individual product listings. Save and publish. Once you've added and assigned categories, click Save and Publish to make the changes live on your site.